Hey guys, Crazy Man here. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial for a new and better GTA 5 Lite. Make sure to watch the full video for the password. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, press Import Games, then PC Game, then find the 16 GB file. Here is mine. Then click the gtvunshead.exe. Wait for it. Now press Confirm. For PC game settings, just do my settings. Feel free to pause. Okay guys, that's all the settings. Now let's move on to the save game.
Yeah, boy.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!